Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Choose a 5 to 4 pound sugar pumpkin for a sweet, dense flesh. Cut off the top, halve, and scoop out seeds. Save 1 tablespoon roasted seeds if you like garnish. Place cut sides down on a baking sheet and roast at 400 degrees F for about 45 minutes until fork tender. Scoop the flesh into a strainer and let it drain for 10 minutes to remove excess water. Mash or puree until smooth and measure 2 cups of pumpkin puree, about 440 grams, for the filling. In a large bowl, combine 2 cups pumpkin puree, 1 cup packed brown sugar, and 3 large eggs. Whisk until smooth. Add spices: 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves, 1 teaspoon ground ginger, and 1 teaspoon salt for balanced flavor. Pour in 1 cup heavy cream, or use 12 Oz evaporated milk as a lighter alternative, and mix until fully blended and silky. Taste a spoonful and adjust sweetness or spice by up to 1/4 teaspoon increments before filling the crust. Preheat oven and pour filling into a 9-inch pie crust, smoothing the top. Bake at 425 degrees F for 15 minutes to set the edges, then immediately lower the oven to 350 degrees F and continue baking 40 to 50 minutes until a knife near the center comes out mostly clean. Remove and cool on a rack for 1 hour at room temperature, then chill in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours so the custard firms. Serve with whipped cream. Warm a knife under hot water to slice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.